Hey guys, thanks for sticking with the home tours. Hope people kind of enjoyed them. I know some they were a little long, certain spots, so we're done with those for now. And if I do any more, I'll try and do them in a different style. So enjoy this vlog, and there'll be no home tours, I promise. Snowstorm in Philly. The street's not plowed that great at all. But this dude's still on his bike. He didn't fall once. And I'm all over the road in the car, so maybe he has the advantage here. Photo time. Go Trishy. That's not the purpose of this story though. Look at this teapot. I don't burn my hands filming. This is mine. The shredded crab. Looks good. Got some spring rolls. Trishy, what'd you get?
Spicy noodles.
Spicy noodles. I'm loving this teapot though. Look, no burning hands. I'm sure there's still tons of these, but in the Asian places they don't even have these ones. There's my tea. I had 2 teas. There's Trishy's tea. Alright, let's go. Guys, new bubble tea place in Philly. You know we're here. Trisha tells me this is that new. We gotta try it. So the new is not open until 11:30, so we're just gonna hit up Old Reliable Mr. Wish. Okay, final step to the wedding process is cake tasting. We're here at the bakery that venue uses, and we're gonna taste some cakes. Let's go. We're gonna have design of cakes. This would make a good wedding one. Just kidding. Got that. I think Trisha has the wedding cake one. Mine's more fun. This might be a wedding cake one.
One square or round?
What do you want? Square or round? Another shoe. People really like turning shoes into cakes. Look at this one. It's pancakes. It's a pancake cake. It's a pancake cake. That one's nice. Yeah, I don't think my book does wedding cakes, but they do some cool stuff here. It's a blue moon. This is the wedding cake one. So many options. Let's look it over. No shoes this time. Here's the cakes we get to try. Right now we're looking at more options. This one's not bad. I like that. Which one did you just try, Trish?
The pound cake. Has some
drama in the cake shop. Okay guys, just booked our cake. Woo! Woo! So I think everything's pretty much done now, right? This should stay up. There we go. All right. Well, we thought that was going to take longer than it did. So now what do? We'll figure it out. Right? Okay. We're on the Ikea elevator. We're going down in Ikea. No! Which way's going to open?
You didn't want to walk through the showrooms?
I don't know. We only got one floor. How's it taking so long? Welcome to Ikea. Alright, well, Trisha got us lost. This is what we're looking for, the marketplace. Trisha's just looking for a couple little things, allegedly.
2 hours later.
Do we need a cart? I have the back. Shower sweetie. I think we need a sheepskin rug. Oh, it's already soft. How do you clean it though? You can't just vacuum it. Update on pillows. Trisha's still looking.
$2.99 rugs.
$1.29. Buy it. $4.99. $499. Home organization. Make a bold statement. Unboxer interview. Not getting anything in the warehouse today. Thank God. Putting Ikea furniture together can ruin relationships. And that's been your relationship advice from me. Almost at checkout. Hot dogs, $1. Veggie hot dogs, 75 cents. I don't eat either, but good to know. Good to know. Ooh, plants. Alright, let's go pay here. One last look. Not much in here, but it's clearing, so you gotta look. How much is this thing? $3.99. I would come in here just to get the furniture. It's already put together. Right? Alright, not much great in here today. You never know when you'll hit on this section now. Now, you getting that chair? It's from the 70s. Are these chairs? Alright, let's go pay. That's our wedding topper with matching glasses. Wow, that's talented. Good job, Al. Wait. Wait. I don't think I'm getting all the detail here.
Shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond, and they don't make you like they used to.